Ooh, I could do like a sweet little... Okay, so what am I not gonna do today? I'm not gonna breathe heavily, and I'm not gonna go
Whistle.
And what are you gonna do today?
Speak the F up.
Speak the F up.
Gymkhana 2, May 7th, 09. Kim Block 43.
Dude, I've watched that video like
Right?
a lot of times.
Yeah, from this one. Oh no, it's not. It's 08. Shh.
Well, E-stock, that would be incorrect.
But he did wear these.
Smell him. See if it smells like his feet.
What would his feet smell like?
I don't know. Find
Success.
success.
All right, we've got a motor from the local junkyard here. Gonna use it for mock-up on the 71 Duster, where the Hellephant is eventually gonna go. We're just gonna be disassembling all the unnecessary stuff, take off the AC, the plugs, wires, harness, pulleys, hoses, everything, so we can hook her up to the cherry picker, drop it in, and start mocking it up and see what kind of room we've got to put this big 426 in. But here we go.
Oh yeah. That 426. It's there. Don't worry.
It's in box.
Motor's not going anywhere.
She's protected.
She protected. She protected.
Don't be a fool. Wrap your tools.
Same clip as the other video. E-stock, what you taking off first?
I think we're gonna go ahead and start tackling it by taking all the wiring harness off, all of the injectors, all the coil packs, just get all the wiring mess out of the way. That way we can see all the hardware that's underneath there. But I think the plan for now, the most important thing is to get all that wiring off of there, take off the intake, take off the exhaust manifolds, all the tubing, just to make sure that we have everything cleared and out of the way so we can put it in there and start mocking this up. Oh, here we go. Look, ready?
Oh snap. It's happening.
Here we go.
No going back now.
Going back.
I don't think there was ever a forward to go to.
No. Probably not. Oh yeah. Boom.
Boom.
Done.
There's some nice kicks, dude.
Thanks. Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. Maybe one day. It was back there.
69 Jeep.
Oh, you want to talk about the Jeep?
I learned to drive stick on that Jeep.
Future build on the channel?
Ooh. Maybe.
All right, listen. I wish I could turn the camera around. If this channel gets
73 likes.
The channel.
Oh,
It's how many subscribers would it take to convince your dad to let us build the Jeep? Probably 1 million.
Nah. How about just a restoration?
And not like a full ridiculous.
10K.
10,000 subscribers, and your dad will let us restore the Jeep
10K.
and fund the project.